Good morning everybody and welcome to Homeschool with Mrs. Simpson. Today I'm doing a lesson, a very quick one, on how to find the mean, an estimate for the mean, from a grouped frequency table. Now the reason it's called an estimate of a mean is not because you kind of go, oh well I reckon it's this. That's not this sort of estimate. This is an estimate because we no longer have all of the data. We've rounded it off, look, 18 to 20. So we don't know whether the person was 18 or 19 or 19 and a half minutes or, age. We don't know, we've lost that original data. So that's why we're estimating. So to find the mean, we need to add up all of the scores and divide by how many scores there were. So first, let's see how many scores were there altogether. So in my table, I've got, these are the ages, 18 to 20, 20 to 22, 22 to 24 and 20 up to 26. The actual 20-year-old would not be in this group. It'd be in this group because this one has got the equal to sign as well. So these are the people who are 18 up to but not including 20, the less than 20. In total, we've got 3 people in this age group, another 2 in this age group, that's 5 people, another 7, that's 12 people, and there's 8 people who are really old in their late 20s. So altogether we've got what's called a total, this is the symbol for the sum of 20 people in our group. So now to find the mean, we need to add up all 20 scores and divide by 20. So we have to add up all the scores, but we don't know what all the scores were individually, so we need to make an estimate of those. So we're not going to use 18 or 20, we're going to balance them out and say, well, in the middle here, midpoint, the midpoint of this group is 19. The midpoint of this group is 21, the midpoint here is 23, and the midpoint here is 25. So they're the midpoints of the group. So because we don't know exactly how old these 3 people were, these 3 people, they might have all been 18, they might have all been 19 and a half, we don't know. So we're estimating, saying they're 19, and there's 3 of them. So we do 19 times 3. This one we've estimated, we've rounded it off that everybody was roughly 21, and there's 2 of those people. There are 7 people here, and there are 8 people here. So we work out that, type it into your calculator, grab mine, sorry. Type it into your calculator. 19 times 3, 57. 21 times 2, 42. 23 times 7, 161. Make this table a bit larger. 161. And 25 times 8, 200. So now we've actually got what all the scores would add up to. Again, it's an estimate because we've rounded off each group. Add up all of those, so 57, 42, 161 and 200, that equals 460. So our total is 460 divided by the 20 people that we have, divided by 20. So our average age, our mean age, is approximately, we can use the approximately symbol, approximately 23. It's not definitely 23 because we didn't have the actual ages, and that's why it's called an estimate. I hope that helps with today's work and give you find some questions that you need to answer. Bye bye, have a nice day.